let's talk about the product rule. The product rule have a very simple equation. It's like this: dx fg is equal to f prime g plus fg prime. So question is, how can we apply this? Assume we want to differentiate this. We know from the power rule, the answer of this would be equal to 2x. But how can we use the product rule to generate this answer? We can do this. We assume f is equal to g, or f is equal to x, and g is equal to another x. Now, we do this. D over dx, x times x is equal to d over dx x times d over x, which is this in here. Okay, we first differentiate this part. Now, remember that there is a second part. The second part would also be like this. However, the idea is different. This time, we differentiate this one and then leave this one out here. If we do this, the answer for that, for the first part, is equal to x times 1. For the second part is also x times 1. So it is equal to 2x. For another example, this one is a bit more complicated, but it was still using the product rule. It should still be able to handle. If we have this, a function like this, we want to differentiate this with respect to dx. How can we do that? Then we can separate that and use the product rule. How can we use the product rule? We keep the first one, the x part, in here. And then we differentiate the second part. And then we add another part. This time we keep this one. We keep this one. Let me write it in blue. And then we differentiate this dx over dx. So what do we get? Because like this red part in here, we move to here because the product rule. So we will get x times dx. d to the power x respect to dx is equal to e to the power x. It will be just the same as dx, because like this dx differentiate x with respect to x is equal to 1. So the answer will be x times e to the power x plus e to the power x. If you want to simplify it, it will be x plus 1 times e to the power x.